The Riffle Shuffle, let's go ahead and learn it. First things first, the grip. Thumb on the bottom, supported by the middle finger and ring finger, pinky on the edge. Take the index finger, bend it in the back, and what you're going to do is riffle about half the cards with your thumb and rotate the half into the other hand. So I like to use my middle finger and ring finger for support. Riffle about half, rotate that, support it with the index finger and pinky finger, so you have a nice grip. From there you can bend the index finger in the back if you'd like, or have the index finger out like so. From there you are going to grip the cards with that middle finger and ring finger and riffle the cards into one another. So it's going to look like this. From there, you apply pressure with your thumbs on the top. Gripping the cards with your fingers, you are going to create a U shape, and you're going to create that tension. From there, you're going to release the tension with your fingers, and that's going to allow the cascade effect to create that waterfall. So we'll go ahead and do that again. Rotating the cards, gripping them like so. Grip from the back. Do another angle. Rotate. Gripping the cards like this. Riffle into one another. Thumbs on top. Pressure to create the U. Release on the bottom. That is the Riffle Shuffle with the waterfall.